How to turn on two-factor authentication on Facebook. Open Facebook app on your phone. You can do it on an iPhone or Android. Now, look at the bottom of the screen. Click on Menu option. Then, scroll down to tap on the Settings and Privacy. In this, click on Settings. Now tap on the Account Center. And then click on Passwords and Security. Here you will have the two-factor authentication option. Tap on it. Then, choose your account. You will direct to the Security Methods page. There, you have 3 methods. In this, you can choose your preferred one. I am going with SMS or WhatsApp. After choosing, click Next. Previous if you don't add a phone number. Now you have to add it. Once entered, click on Next. A verification code will be sent to your mobile number. Enter it. And click Next. Now, two-factor authentication on your Facebook. From now onwards, whenever you are logging your Facebook account in new devices, two-factor authentication will be asked for account access. And that's it.